Hey, what's going on, TBK gang? Before this video start, I need everybody to like, comment, subscribe, and share the channel. We got more lit content on the way. Go follow my Instagram. Go follow us on TikTok, Facebook. I'm gonna leave everything in the video. Let's get it started.
Chapo.
What's going on, TPK gang? We back again with another video, man. As y'all know, we got the pups on the ground. Come get the puppies. We got 7 healthy puppies, man. 5 available. 1 male been spoken for, and I got my keeper. Yeah, but today, so we like 4 days. They for like 4 days old. And you know it's 7 of them, so I just want to make sure everybody eating because there's a lot of puppies for one mom. So I'm gonna show y'all how I'm tune feeding the puppies. You know, we got my scale right here. I've been keeping track of their weight every time they eat or whatever. But yeah, man, I'm finna show y'all how I tune feed the puppies. Yeah, we're finna get the video started. So I usually start off with the smallest male, and he is available, y'all. Got this male, he got his merle spots coming in, blue male, all fluffy carriers, y'all. Y'all see his nice, small, compact male. Y'all see him? Alright, so I start off. I let mom clean him. Stimulate him, let him use the bathroom. That's a good girl. Yeah, I see I got her on some goat's milk. She ain't really eating like that. She nibbling, but she like that milk. I got the milk right there. Alright. I'm gonna let her sit in with you. She overprotected, y'all. She moving everywhere they go. Got my syringe. And I'm just feeding getting everybody like 10 cc's, and then I put them on the nipple just to make sure. I just want to make sure everybody eating their proper share. So yeah, I see I got my marker. I already measured. Got my marker right here on how far to go. So what I do? Hold the pup, get one head, get his head. Now put the tube in his mouth. Yeah, see how he's sucking on it. Oh, come back. Go, he still sucking. Boom, I hold it still. And I, hold on. Well, go out, come on, yeah, there we go. Come on back in, little fella. See how he's sucking on it? Then we're gonna hold it right there. And we're just gonna feed. Make sure he don't move. You don't want to get in the lungs in there. Boom. Y'all can see the little belly got a little swollen. And I'm gonna put him on my arm. I just like to give him a little starter. Y'all see nice compact male, man. Fluffy carrier. Y'all can see how they fur look. All right, lay down, mama. Lay down. She's still doing a little bleeding, y'all, as y'all can see. And then I just put him on my arm, let him eat. So that's male number 1. And then I get the next one. Same thing. Let her clean him. Good girl, mama. Let them clean. Yeah, we're gonna do it again. Oh, this male is also available. Nice compact blue male. He don't have any merle markings right now, but it could possibly come in. But yeah, I see nice head, compact. Let's feed him. And this boy he easy. I know which ones are. Boom, got it right there with my marker at. And we're gonna feed. Don't go fast. You just slowly. If it come out, y'all stop immediately once it come out. You don't want to get it nowhere else other than where it need to be. Come on, little fella. Yeah, this is so much faster than bottle feed. This bottle feed is like a 2-hour process. This is like a 15-minute. Alright, so next, y'all, we got this nice thick female, man. This girl is active. Yeah, see the structure on this girl? Nice compact, nice size head. Little stubby legs on her. Y'all see that? Look at them little legs. She is available, y'all. This is gonna be somebody nice foundation, nice pet, but she's nice. So I'm gonna let mom Storm. Let mom stimulate her. And I have to let all the solid colors eat first, because once these merles, I don't know if somebody them merles, man, when they get in there, they taking over. So I let these eat first, and then I add them. Nice and slow, y'all. Don't just squirt it in there. You go slow, little bit by little bit. Like I said, I just give them a starter, and then I put them on mom. Just to make sure everybody getting their fair share. So I got one more blue. What's this? Another female. She's a nice female. Nice. Fluffy carries. See the structure on this girl. She like the other girl, twin. Nice headpiece on her. Nice little stubby legs. Y'all see that headpiece on her? Man, this breed really click now. I know my girl, she's on the little skinnier side, but I put a thicker male with a thick head, and y'all see what we get. It's all about correcting the flaws in these dogs, man. So, let's get it. See, she big girl. She taking it in. Boom, got it in there. Y'all see she sucking? Can y'all see her sucking? Boom. Pull it out. I'm gonna put on a nipple. Alright, so I got letting them four eat. Let them eat for about 15, 20 minutes. I'm gonna show y'all the difference. Once these get on there, it's gonna be a wrap. These, I really don't have to tool feed these, but I still just like to give them a little just to make sure, to ensure. Yeah, so I let them eat. Got mom on goat's milk. Like I said, I'm tracking the weight different times. Yeah, man. And then my first 48 hours was a little hectic. Yeah, I know it was my first litter, but I mean, I ain't gonna say it was hectic, but I was kind of sleep deprived, man, trying to feed these things every 2 hours. You see how they'll latch, but they be doing too much, be moving around. Well, I'm gonna show y'all the difference. Like, you see how these moving around, you have to keep putting them back on there. Once they latch, they on there, especially this one. And yeah, I said this female right here was gonna be my keeper, but yeah, I think I'm gonna keep this girl right here. I like her structure, and she just, and her color a little bit better. So yeah, I think this gonna be my keeper. So yeah, I gotta somebody better come get this lilac Merle girl, man. It's gonna be somebody nice, starter female. I know this boy is spoken for. He a big dog, so he eating greedy. They some greedy. These Merles greedy. See how big she is? Look at that girl. Yeah, I see the difference. Can y'all see the difference? Look how healthy that, man. Look, these 4-day-old puppies, look how she moving around. They milk waste. So all them sleep. So it's time to put. She was just whining. I wish I could have heard her whining. About to feed these. Man. Which one y'all think, man? Which one should be my keeper? Yellow collar? Oh, this. Which one? Got here. She ready to eat. Big girl. All right, y'all. Now it's time for the Merles. And I need y'all help. She's so egg. I need y'all help. Which one I should keep? Which one should I keep, y'all? I said I'm gonna keep this one, but I'm leaning more towards this one, the yellow collar. I think I'm gonna keep that. I don't know, man. This is a tough decision. Oh, a little active, little something. Y'all drop down in the comments and let me know which one I should keep. Look, he ready. Look. Sucking my finger. She ready to eat. Like I said, I really don't have to tool feed these, but I just want to make sure, because I know she eat. I know for a fact all the Merles eat. They take over, but I'm just gonna give her a little bit just to give her a little start up before she get on that nipple. Y'all see how thick this girl is, man. Foundation for real. I'm gonna keep her. I'm saying, I'm asking y'all for y'all opinion, but I'm knowing in my head, this one I'm gonna keep. Structure on point, nice thick, nice head. And y'all see, for sure, fluffy carrier. Alright. So. Boom. Back at it again. Let's go. Big girl gonna eat. Big girl gonna eat. Some nice tea count, man. This lilac girl right here is available, y'all. Yeah, she's available. Was my keeper, but I think I'm gonna keep that other one. She in that boo. She don't like that. So yeah, man, foundation female right here. Look, y'all see that? Nice compact. Lilac, fluffy carrier. Don't forget it. This gonna make somebody this is a 30K female right here, y'all. And I'm my first litter out the pod. Go back. 7 days to this next litter drop is over with for y'all. I'm telling you. But look, they eating it up. Like I said, these males don't play. Y'all see how she eating it up? Boom. Boom. Easy. I don't know what it is with these males. They different from them blues, though. Let up. Oh, I ain't even let you stimulate them. I need a white.
You need a white?
Yeah, I see. Latch on, no problem, and they gonna eat. Lay down, Charlotte. Latching on. I ain't gotta do too much with them. Can somebody know what the difference is? Can y'all drop down and give me some information on why these merles are so different from each one of the merles, different from each one of these blues? Yeah. The last puppy, this male is not available, y'all. He's spoken for. Nice stud, compact, nice size head, stubby legs. Nice male. Nice male. Strong. Huh. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. They greedy, man. He ready to eat. Hold on, little fella. Hold on, little fella. Y'all see they active. He trying to run away. Active. And these 4-day-old puppies, y'all. 4 days old.
Come off. You better come off.
4 days old, y'all. Boom. No problem. They gonna take it with no problem. Come on. Slow down, buddy. It's coming. It's coming. Boom. We in there. And y'all need to learn how to feed. This helpful for mom. Like y'all know, she wasn't making milk at first, but she produces pretty good milk now. Boom. Y'all see that? Boom. Y'all see how the stomach swell up? And watch this. Latch game. I'm called it latch game. Once they own, they own. Boom. Latch. Latch. Yeah, I see that, man. I told y'all, I don't know what it is. If y'all know what it is, let me know what's the difference between these merles and the blues, because they not playing. Oh, you don't know, my bad. But yeah, y'all, I just want to show y'all how to feed my puppies. Y'all saw what's available. Y'all tap in. Y'all want some nice quality Frenchies, high quality DNA. Oh yeah, I'm gonna post the granddad, the dad to these puppies. Y'all know he's a lilac and tan fluffy. He's a YOLO grandson. YOLO is a nice fluffy, platinum fluffy out of Arizona. I'm gonna post him in the video. I'll probably post him in the front of the video, and then I'll post him in the end. But yeah, man, it's nice DNA, nice structure, man. They're gonna be thick, nice head pieces. Can't say nothing else about them. But yeah, man, that's the end of this video. Till the next video. We out, TPK gang. Milk wasted. Structure.